In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to ClickUp for easy integration in just 5 minutes. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the most of these productivity tools. To start, head over to your Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects various apps, making workflows more efficient. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to create a new workflow, or Zap as they call it. Click on the Create button. This is your first step in linking Notion and ClickUp, two apps many of us use to organize work and life. With the Zap creation page open, click on the Zaps section. This area is where all the magic happens, allowing you to construct the automation by setting specific triggers and actions between your chosen apps. Now it's time to set up our trigger. A trigger is an event that kickstarts the automation process. Click on Trigger to begin configuring what event should activate this workflow. In the search bar, type ClickUp and choose ClickUp from the drop-down list. This means we'll be using an event from ClickUp to start our Zap. Next, we'll look at Actions. Click on Action, where you'll see a prompt to select another application to complete the process. This is where Notion comes in, providing the final action to pair with our trigger. Click on Notion to add it as the Action app. Return once more to ClickUp and choose a trigger event, such as a new task being created. Ensure you're signed into your ClickUp account and ready to authenticate your connection if prompted. Authentication is crucial to secure the integration and allow the Zap to access your account. You'll need to test the trigger at this point. Click on Test to verify that the selected trigger and ClickUp account are correctly set up. Testing these small steps can save you troubleshooting time later on. After successfully testing the trigger, switch over to Notion for the action event configuration. Select an action event such as creating a new database item and ensure you're signed into your Notion account. Here too, you may need to authenticate the link for a smooth connection. Test the action by clicking Test again. Watching as your workflow goes through the test run can be satisfying, knowing everything's coming together as planned. Finally, once both apps are connected with successful tests, it's time to publish your Zap. Click on Publish to make it live. This activation tells Zapier to begin the automation, ensuring your ClickUp tasks trigger actions in Notion effortlessly. And there you have it. Your ClickUp and Notion apps are now seamlessly integrated through Zapier, paving the way for a more connected and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time.